So this new dynamic of the cloud not only affects how an organization views its solution and who it's selling that solution to, but the sales techniques. As I indicated before, we have this try and buy approach, which mitigates the risks of adopting new technologies. But what we're also seeing is a number of other best practices that have been adopted from the consumer marketplace being applied to now the commercial or the B2B world. Most significantly and most obviously is the case of social media and the use of form factors which emulate the success of Facebook. So one example, going back to Salesforce.com, is their new collaborative tool called Chatter, which looks exactly like the Facebook form factor that we're all used to. But what they've done is they've applied it to the business environment with added security and controls. Now, what's important from a marketing point of view is the viral nature of that. So while the Salesforce.com solution of the past was only aimed at the sales team and maybe the marketing team, this new collaborative tool, which lays on top of this, called Chatter, can be spread across the entire organization, therefore making the core app that much stickier. That's one example of how the consumer market is influencing the way in which solutions are being designed and marketed in the B2B world. Another example is how companies are using incentives, like a Groupon idea, to encourage that viral marketing. And what they're using is those incentives for channel marketing purposes and offering discounts across their population of users and maybe even offering up a marketplace. So for instance, there are companies who are trying to appeal to a ecosystem of third parties who can enhance their own product set so that they can then strengthen their position in the marketplace. The IBMs of the world, HP has just announced they're moving in this direction, and even Cisco and others, where they're trying to appeal to third parties to align with their products and incenting them through a automated discounting process so as to be able to strengthen their position in the marketplace. And this all entails a different approach to marketing and a different approach to promoting these companies in the marketplace.